Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which can actually cartoonize, which can convert a image file into a cartoon, or it can draw a pencil sketch of a image file. So this is a very good module. So for this we are using OpenCV module plus this third party package. Let me show you. If you go to this website, just search for this package Cartooner. This is actually a third party package which will convert your photo into a cartoon like image. The command is simple. You simply install this package. Apart from that, you also need the OpenCV package, which is a very popular package inside Python. So the command is simple. You simply install this package. After that, let me show you a very simple example how to initialize it. Simply create a Python file. I will show you step by step. So first of all, you need to import this package. We simply import this from Cartooner. We need to import this function here, which there is this cartoonize. So after that, we also need to import the OpenCV package like this, and here you just need to provide your input image. So this is present in my images directory. So then you just need to specify where will be the output file which will be created. So we need to create it in the same directory. So let me call this as cartoon.jpg, and then we will read the input file here using the OpenCV module, and it contains this function image read, and we will read the input file like this. So after reading it, we will be using this third party module which will be cartoonize. We'll simply pass this image, and then we will save this using OpenCV using this method image write the output file. So this is a very simple script. This completes the script here. So we simply import the module, we open the actual input image, we use this function that we imported, and then we save the image. So let me test it out. So let me run the script here. So it will take some time and it will convert your input image into a cartoon. So it created this image here. You will see cartoon.jpg. If I try to open this, you will see your input image has been successfully converted into a pencil sketch, or you will say it's a cartoon like image. This was the original image. Let me show you. This was the original image. Now this is actually a cartoon version of the image. So you can see it's looking good. And let me take a different image. For example, let me take this image. Let me run this once again. So you can see this library works good by creating these cartoon like images of your input images. So if you want to do this, you can use this free package inside Python. You can build out a simple web application as well, where you take the input image, create the cartoon like image, and download this as an attachment. So the possibilities are endless, you will see. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.